Let's talk about the recently launched OPPO smartphone A2x 5G. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display with 6.56-inch HD plus water drop notch display, with resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with 84.0% screen to body ratio, 720 nits. Peak brightness, with approximately 269 ppi pixel density, and with 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with single camera setup on the rear that includes 13-megapixel main wide-angle camera. For selfies it has 5-megapixel wide-angle camera, video recording maximum at 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system. Based on exclusive optimized version of ColorOS 13.1 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55. Powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6020 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6, 8, 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 128, 256 GB of UFS 2.2 on board storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.8 by 75.1 by 8.12 mm, and it weighs around 185 grams, and the color options Starry Night Black, Mugwang Gold, Fishwang Purple colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 10-watt charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port. IP54 dust and splash resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The OPPO A2x 5G has been expected priced in Pakistan for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 49,999 Pakistani rupees, while 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 54,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 61,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this OPPO A2x 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.